we've got Walter here with one box of Star Wars Galactic Files Series 2 coming at you live here on Blowout TV. Alright, Walter. Being busted by a guy who's never watched one Star Wars movie in his life. I think I can get you a nice little sketch, though.
Was a Mets fan, are you feeling what you have to feel snake bit by the Harvey situation?
Thanks.
Are they guesstimating he's going to be out?
I mean,
do you think all of next year, or is
they
it?
just say, yeah. They just said the UCL.
I'm not joking. Never seen a Star Wars movie or a Star Trek movie. Alright, blue border. That was numbered to 350.
It is unknown what his timetable is.
The history of trying to deal with a ligament tear in the elbow by doing something other than Tommy John. I mean, the Dodgers went through this with Chad Billingsley.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, he was having his issues, but they decided that they were going to do injections.
I need a vacation.
Plasma.
I want to go to Vegas. Who wants to go to Vegas with me? Ooh, very cool. We've got a Sith Infiltrator. Darth Maul. Little metal piece. Not numbered. I grew up Amish. Pretty much.
No, it's when you have an elbow, you have to. And I mean, I guess the good news, to the extent there is good news, they're an elbow shoulder. And usually, if you have an elbow, that means that you've got some mechanical issues.
Lats Razzie. Blue border, number 2350. Alright, well, let's go. Frank, I'm there. Let's work it out. I'm serious. We need to work it out. I'll tell Danny, too. We'll all go.
Who else? What other star stud pitcher? Strasburg went through Wainwright, Chris Carpenter, and now you got Matt Harvey's in the hat, probably.
Another blue border here.
Look at all these guys, a lot of them at Tommy John.
Obi-Wan Kenobi, third lightsaber,
Unlike shoulders,
350.
you can generally come back from Tommy John and still be quite a fan.
Yeah, you can pretty much be the top of your old self. I mean, it's like
Frank the Venetian,
off if you can
number 1.
properly rehab correctly, you'll be
It's the number 1 seed. Boba Fett,
so.
number 2, 350.
And what you just said, that's why I always get so nervous about Kershaw. He's such a workhorse, and I mean his innings per start has been awesome.
Yeah, he gets 7 every game.
And has a number of good games. I mean he's had.
Let's all go. Let's all go hang out and lose a bunch of money. Luke Skywalker to 350.
And I just why my team now, please stay healthy.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's just that I just don't remember. Well,
All right, we got our sketch.
the Maddoxes and Johnsons. And
All right, who is that? I have no idea.
those, types of players. Maybe we remember them and forget about everybody else who got broken down by
The Force is with you.
injuries are more prominent now or more.
And
Maybe it's just selective.
Jeremy R. Scott
You ever think of maybe
is the artist on that one.
limiting of innings has a negative effect? I've thrown this theory out there.
No idea. Jeremy R. Scott.
I feel like people get hurt more often by having their innings limited or monitored, pitch counts monitored, as opposed to when it could be the same thing. Maybe I just left the memory and I don't know.
Sounds good to me. Let's play in a poker game for cards. Playing a poker game for Blowout TV credit.
I'm old enough to remember the
Gascano. Let's see. Red border, number to 35.
So that three guys down. So 3 days off, and you're pitching ridiculous amounts of innings.
And then I'm young enough to think that a 6-man rotation is normal. And that's where our disconnect.
And base.
And,
Last row.
all the ones who made it through that okay, and forget about all the others who got broken down.
Boba Fett, blue border,
I think with advanced
350.
medical technology and fishing and just even the science.
Frank, am I one of those adults?
Why is it that the players break down so much?
I
Red, Class A thermal detonator, number to 35.
Here's another one. The advanced conditioning and all that stuff, and strength training and all that, could be having a negative effect on players. You gotta remember, there is nothing natural about any motion you do. Throwing a ball, swinging a bat, none of it's natural. Right. Now you get to the point where everyone can throw like 91, 92, 95, 96. You gotta think all
Really, 190s, you're kind of a soft toss.
Yes.
Whereas back in the day, I mean, you go over 90.
Yeah,
That's-
gas it.
yeah.
Not anymore.
Tawani,
Throws in the 90s in the majors.
number
Okay,
to
maybe
350.
throws 92, 94, 95 miles an hour. That's putting extra stress on them repeatedly, over however many pitches it might be. Maybe you just aren't.
All right, 2 packs left.
normal human being, you can lift as many weights and do whatever you want to strengthen your muscles, but at the end of the day, doing that
Peace.
motion that hard, that high,
And last pack.
it really could.
Yeah. Well, and there's also.
And base.
You know,
All right.
being so
Appreciate it, Walter. I'll get this out to you as soon as I can, buddy. Later.
level